Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. I'm going to quickly take you through what we said in the last video on the 1st of June, and then we take a look at the updated chart for Chainlink. We could see here something unfolding like a wave A, then a wave B to the downside, a wave C to the upside. That wave C needs to be finished very, very soon, either already now or at the latest here at $7.70. We will then see a wave D down, which is not allowed in this scenario to drop below $6.23. And then we will see a move E to the upside. So in this case, that was a triangle pattern, a ABCDE Elliott wave symmetrical triangle. And we can take a look at what actually happened. Well, exactly when I made that video, it had peaked as expected. So the wave C did not go higher. But in fact, it did retrace to the downside as expected, and we can count a 3-wave move here, which is needed for a wave D. Yeah, in a wave D, this is an ABC pattern usually. That did play out. Yeah, I moved the trend line a little bit, but in the end, this all worked out. And what we would expect now is a wave E to the upside. I can imagine for this wave E, there will be resistance here at $7.23. So a little bit of upside is now expected in the wave E. The requirements for the wave E are just that you would need to see some kind of a 3-wave pattern, so an ABC, for example, and then the wave E could already be done. And it could really be that we've seen now the AB and we're now starting the C or something, because we are just moving up. So a little bit more upside expected for a wave E, maybe really for that to that previous resistance at 723. It must not exceed the wave C high, so it must not go higher than $7.79 to invalidate the triangle. So if it goes higher, it will invalidate the triangle, and then it will be something else. But for now, the triangle count works out pretty well, especially as we expected it in the last video, and it has come down pretty much to the expected levels it came down to. Let's just double check. The wave D did come down to $6.68. What the wave D is not allowed to do, the wave D must not get below the wave B. So that's all fine. If it does go below it, then it would not have been a triangle. We would then have started already an impulse down. This doesn't look like it yet. I think we are going to see here, in line with what we expect for other coins as well, this little bit of upside in a wave E, but then shortly afterwards we should see the breakout to the triangle to the downside. We can currently see that some coins have done this already, other coins have not done this, and it's a very interesting time at the moment, because this sort of indicates that we are really at the end here of this very long consolidation, which, to be honest, has now taken a month. We've been in this area now since the 12th of May, not quite a month, but 3 to 4 weeks. So we've pretty much been in this area here now for 3 to 4 weeks, and it is long. It is raining. A wave 4 can be long, can be surprising, can be boring, especially if it comes across as a triangle. Triangles are very difficult to forecast because they can move, they can change in shape, they can change in size. Without a problem, you could have counted all of this here as a triangle at the time. I think we did actually. Then it broke down, thought it would actually start the impulse down, but now we're just in an extended triangle. So far it's working out, but what needs to happen now is, in this scenario, that the chart does not invalidate the wave C. If it does that, higher prices possible. Primarily, we do expect lower prices, because it does mean if we go to the wave high of the wave E, that we will exit the triangle to the downside. And because we count this here as a higher level wave 3, this here as a wave 4 where the triangle will end, we will have to go lower to finalize the wave 5. That wave 5 should end in this area here between $5.36 and $2.45, even though I think we're not gonna get in this lower price range. Absolutely not. That would be very surprising, yeah, but based on extensions and fib levels and everything, we can calculate that. I think I did in the previous video, so I can review that when we know when the wave E here finally is finished. And then the next targets for the bears would be here the low of the wave D to break that. That would confirm, in my opinion, already that we are in the downtrend. So the wave D low here at around 665, then the wave B low below 667. And if we go below that, then we can also get to that 532 wave 3 low, and we will need to take that out and go a little bit lower, and then theoretically the overall correction for Chainlink could be finished, and then we just need to wait. Do we see a bullish signal in the chart? And of course, I will keep you updated here. I just want to update you briefly here, because not too many things happened other than it worked out as expected. So I just want to update you because, you know, we're just following the roadmap at the moment. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Chainlink. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.